Hello world! Do you know robot can feel light just like we feel warmth? Do you want to make a robot that shows how intense this light is? I am Manish Gupta and welcome to CyberSox. Today we are going to make light intensity meter. Light intensity meter is a robot which measures how much light is around it. We will be using LDR to sense our light and OLED screen to display our light meter. When light is bright, the meter on OLED screen will fill up. When it is dark, the meter bar will sink down. By the end of this video, you will understand how robot measures light and you will make your own light meter which works in real time. Before going to code, let's first understand what percentage is. Percentage is a way to show how full something is out of 100. For example, 50 means half, 100% means full, 0% means empty. If something is 30% means it only has 30 parts out of 100. Like your marks in your exam. How to calculate percentage? We will calculate percentage by using this formula. We will put part here upon total into 100. Let's take one more example. Suppose you have 4 chocolates. One you have eaten. How much percent you have eaten? What was the part you have eaten? 1. How many chocolates you have? 4 into 100 means you have eaten 25% of chocolate. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using CyberSox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using CyberSox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of our USB to our computer. Connect 4-pin cable to OLED and other end of 4-pin cable to device 1 port. Now connect 3-pin cable to LDR and other end to analog port. Place the plate and fit LDR here. Now let's understand flowchart and algorithm of this program. We are starting our program. We are creating LDR on analog 1 and OLED on device 1. We will read values from LDR. Then we will calculate percentage of light level to total. The values coming from LDR upon total value, that is 1023. As we have discussed previously on how to calculate percentage. Then we are printing light level and percentage. Then we will make a rectangle of 100 width. Then we will make fill rectangle with width is equal to percentage. Suppose we have 30 percentage of light level. We will make a fill rectangle of 30%. Fill rectangle of 30% which will be created into a meter if value is 30%. Let's understand the algorithm. We are creating LDR sensor. We are creating OLED display. We are starting infinite loop. We are reading light level from LDR. We are converting our value to percentage. Then we are clearing OLED screen. We will display our LDR value and percentage. Then we will draw a bar graph. Then we will show our display and repeat this process. Now let's code light intensity meter. What was the first step in our algorithm? It was creating LDR and OLED. So we can connect our brain to LDR and OLED. Go to pins and devices. Pick get analog LDR block. Name it LDR. Choose analog 1 port. Go to OLED display. Pick create OLED block. Choose device 1. What was the next step? Yes, we are going to read continuously from LDR. Go to control, pick while do block, set its condition to true. Go to variables and string, pick create variable block. Write the variable name, write variable name light. For value, go to pins and devices, pick read analog and write our pin name, that is LDR. Now what was the third step? Yes, we are going to calculate our percentage. For this, go to variables and string, pick create variable block, write variable name percentage. Value will be part, that is our light, upon full, that is 1023 into 100. For this, go to math and logic, pick parenthesis block. Again go to operators, pick arithmetic block, choose divide, duplicate light. Again go to variables and string, pick value block, write 1023. Now we are going to multiply this value by 100. Go to operators, pick arithmetic block, choose multiply, place it here, and multiplication value is 100. Now what was the fourth step? Yes, first we are going to print our light value and percentage. Then we are going to draw our light intensity meter. For this, go to OLED display. First clear our screen. After this, pick OLED text. We are going to print light, but it is number, but OLED only display text. So we have to convert this number into text. For this, go to math and logic. Pick str block, duplicate light block and place it here. So it will convert light number into light text. Where we are going to print? Duplicate it at top left corner. Duplicate it. Next we are going to print percentage. But we are going to print little below. So write 20. Now we are going to make our meter. For this, go to OLED display, dot rectangle. It will start from 0 and Y position will be 35. Width will be 100. And height will be 10t. Now again go to OLED display, pick draw filled rectangle block, write our X position and Y position same because it is going to work as meter. For the width we are going to use percentage. Height will be same. What was the next step? Yes, show on OLED display. Now we have completed our code successfully. Click on connect brain, choose USB serial, click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. This is the light meter. When it is dark, the meter will goes down. If light is high, meter will go up. Let's compare our flowchart with our code. First we are creating LDR and OLED. To achieve this we are using get analog LDR block and create OLED block. Then we are reading value from LDR. We are reading value from LDR. Then we are calculating percentage of light level to total. We are calculating percentage of light to total. Then we are printing light level and percentage. We are printing light and percentage on OLED. We are making rectangle of 100 width. To achieve this we are using draw rectangle block which draw a shallow rectangle. Then we are making filled rectangle. To achieve this we are using draw filled rectangle block which makes a filled rectangle. This is how shallow rectangle and filled rectangle looks like. Good job. Now you know how robot measure light and know how to show these values on OLED. For the next upcoming video, we are going to make a big project. Instead of reading light, we are going to read noise and draw it into a graph. If you have understood how to measure light and how to display these values on our screen, please subscribe our channel and like this video.